Hello there. I'm so glad you're here. I'm Amy McCune, your training coach at the Organizational Development Pro. I've designed these trainings to be short little learning nuggets. I don't know about you, but I can't tell you how many times I have attended trainings or conferences and left with all kinds of ambition to start applying everything I've learned. But once I get back to my daily routine and look back over my notes, I'm overwhelmed. I learned so many great things. I want to start using this strategy and that technique and this new way of doing things. And let's not forget the 20 other things I swore I was going to start doing. The problem is that I walk away with too many ideas. I can't figure out where to start, and I end up not changing anything. Learning was achieved, but I'm not able to put anything into practice because there are simply too many things to focus on. That is why I have organized these little learning nuggets to be bite-sized. They each focus on just one skill. That one skill might have multiple strategies, but I will tell you exactly how to go about applying the strategies so that they are manageable, so you can succeed. I mean, isn't that why you're taking the trainings to begin with? So you can improve your skills? My trainings are designed to do just that. I provide you with small steps, little things that you can apply right away that will allow you to achieve your goals. I don't just want you to learn something new. I want you to know how to use that knowledge to be a better leader. That's how we grow, by using what we learn and putting it into practice. That is what these trainings will do. Small steps, big impact. So what are you waiting for? Select the specific skill that you want to improve, and let's get started.